And like that. Oh. Well guys, if you saw the last video, we tore some stuff apart in the front end and we made some good headway. We wanted to make a little more, but that's okay because we did really well. And tonight we're just trying to get the fenders off and trying to get to the core support. So we gotta take the fenders and fender wells off. We might not get that far, but that's what we're trying to do tonight. So explain what you're doing right now.
Trying to life hack.
He watched a video on YouTube and decided it'd be a good idea to try it out on these. Because he doesn't.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Can't get it out.
Uh-oh. Well, I guess that life hack actually worked.
Well, I'll be dead. If you're ever wondering how to get a wiper arm off of a square body S10, follow me, Jake. You're going to want to take an apparatus of some sort. In this
Most
case,
likely an Allen wrench.
using an Allen wrench. Just so up here, I'll show you.
Here.
There are two holes. Well, what you're going to want to do is raise this wiper arm up until that hole clears. Take this Allen wrench, stick it through. Trying to do this one-handed is a pain in the butt. Okay.
Stick it through like
Now
so.
it's sticking through like so, holding the wiper blade up. And then you just
Wiggle it out
start jiggling.
till it comes.
Here.
Here. And you start jiggling like so till it comes. In this case, it's not.
There it is. Look at that. Voila. And just bend it back, grab your Allen wrench, and call it a day. Life
Thank
hack.
you for the how-to.
Hey, that's what I'm here
To
for.
take the cowl off in it, S10 like this, you'll need a 7mm with a 1/4 inch ratchet. And see, you take these off like so, they fit. And then you'll need a 13 to take these little boogers off over in the corner. It fits perfectly. We exposed these rear bolts, so now we're going to take the perimeter bolts off and see if we can get this fender off.
I was built to last when the waves are waving. I could change the past, I'm all achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! lost with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass,
Fender bolts, again, a bit excessive.
Yeah, wiggle that and show them how wiggly it is while I'm... Yes, it's almost there, except for the fact that,
We found more bolts.
Yeah, one bolt is right in the way of our other bolt that we need to get out. It's the last one, but right in the way. So,
Yeah.
compromise.
Good stuff.
Take it out. And like that. Oh. That didn't go play. What's holding on? Hurry.
Oh,
Oh.
the hood hinge.
Oh.
Like that.
Like that. Voila.
Voila. Well, looks like your old mangy transient uncle showed up.
It did, man.
I love lamp. Do you really love the lamp, or are you just saying it because you saw it?
I love lamp. I love lamp.
He came bearing power tools.
Of course, only left one bolt for me. Still can't find it.
then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on the
I see Uncle Cole's underneath here. What exactly went wrong?
You got that chest here. Get that one out.
What happened there? You tried like hell though, didn't you? Remember your... There you go. Lift it up.
Watch out for the Chevelle, man. Column. There you go.
Ah. Careful, easy.
Yeah, you dropped that. We got problems.
Yeah, that means body work.
Right there, that snappy on.
Right here. No, this.
Right, you already talked. Okay, never mind.
There you go. How you like power tools?
Well, better, because it's way easier. Thanks to him.
Whatever. You gotta earn power tools at this house.
You don't even have any.
That's not nice, Cole.
So, we got a lot done last night. We pulled the front clip off. We got the fenders and fender wells off. Then we got some of the wiring pushed back. So now all that's left to do is basically build that engine hoist and pull the engine out. We have somebody who wants the engine, but we are limited on space. So we don't have anywhere to put it, and we want to get that engine to them as fast as we possibly can. And yesterday we were two dumb YouTubers and we forgot to film what we got here. We got the new transmission for my truck, Turbo 350, with a FTI converter and then a trans brake. Dave has the motor right now, won't be ready for a little bit, so in the meantime we are gonna inspect the suspension and clean the frame rails and the engine bay up, because we don't want a nice new engine and a dirty engine bay. It just doesn't look right. That's what we're gonna do next. That's phase 2. And hopefully this winter we can make some noise. Make sure to hit the like button on the way out and share with a friend, because we need more kids like me doing stuff out here like this. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, because you're not gonna wanna miss this truck. It's gonna be pretty awesome. See you next time.
on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness?